What's up, guys? What's up, YouTube family? I'm super excited to be back on the chat. And this week, I'm going to give you guys a quick breakdown on all the trades I placed and how I was able to secure the $1,000 of the market this week, trading just gold and euro JPY. So I'm going to go over to my chart. I'm going to be breaking down the whole thought process on how I was able to secure profits and all the trade I won and the single loss I took on my chart, because you can see it on my screen wherever it is. You can see it on my screen. So let's go over to our chart and see how it is. And before we dive right in, if you're new to the channel, please give us a like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss out on any of our videos when we drop it. Straight to it, guys. Okay, guys, before I go over to show you guys our first trade, this is a daily chart on gold, and let's count 5 days back so you can know the exact candle of which we started the trade from. So this is Friday, this is Thursday, this is Wednesday, this is Tuesday, and this is Monday. Now you can see on our Monday candle that price has already created a new all-time high. You can see how the price is. You can see that from the previous week, which was on Friday 30, sorry, which was on the 31st of January, you can see that price has already created a new all-time high for gold, and you can see where the candle is. So all my buyers and all I was looking for at the moment was just buy based on continuation. So let's scale down to a 4 hour time frame. Then we go to our Monday candle and we look for it. So this is the Monday candle. You can see it's here Monday. You can see my date showing below the screen Monday. Now if I zoom in a bit, you see that price created a new high and came down for a retest. Now this is what we call break and retest. For those people who trade break and retest, this is break and retest. So you can see this is where most traders will be looking to go in, break of this high. And if I was like active when I saw this setup on the 4 hours, probably as well I would have gotten a buy earlier than where I initially got into the trade from. Now I'm going to go to my 1 hour time frame and just break it down the way I'm showing you guys. So if you've not seen my previous video, go and check my previous video on how I trade gold. You guys will see exactly what I'm going to put it up for you guys to see. You guys are going to see exactly how I trade the market when it comes to trading gold. So if you just visit my YouTube page, check it out, and you see the video. Now you can see this is how I trade gold. So coming into the market, I even came very late. I came very late. Price had already done a lot of movement by the time I was active, and this was like my first attempt to go into the my first attempt for buys. If I was active on time, would be somewhere around the on 1 hour, but that's not what I'm considering. I have to go like my main entry time frame is usually on the 30 minutes, so I have to scale down to the 30 minutes to look for my entries and what will make me go into the market. So I have to go to my 30 minutes time frame and look for my entries in 30 minutes. Now let me break down each candle for you guys so you guys will see what exactly I was talking about. Now this is the 30 minutes time frame. Now I have to adjust my support level to this support, because looking at my left, this is where my support level is. Sorry, my resistance. This is my resistance, which turns support. This is where my resistance level is on the 30 minutes. So if I go back to my current position, you can see that price did something right here. You can see that price created a level of resistance at that same level, push down, then have a strong bullish close above the zone. Now there's a way I trade. If you guys follow my channel on Telegram, you can click the link below and join. It's free. There's a way I trade that the moment price breaks above a strong level of resistance, which is this exactly what it did here. You printed in 30 minutes time frame, because this trade was off the 30 minutes. Once we see a strong bullish close and the next candle prints a very faint um bearish or bullish candle, you can see it like basically kind of indecisive candle, and the moment the next candle breaks the high, that is a confirmation for me to buy the market, to just continue pushing for a bullish continuation, that for like a continuation move. So that's what I'm looking for on this particular structure, and that's exactly what I got in the candle from. So the moment I saw this particular 30 minutes breaking above is high, that's why I placed my buy stop for price to hit, to keep pushing upward, and I put my stop loss below the structure. You can see price move. Price actually came down very close to hitting us off the market, taking us out. At least the retracement was around 28 pip, but my stop loss was around 32, 30 pip, if I'm not mistaken. I think it very came very close to taking us out before price started moving upward to our direction. Now, if you look in 15 minutes as well, you can see my positions where I entered it from. Yeah, this was it. So I'm going to bring up this trade off here so you can see where I entered it from. Yeah, this was this bullish continuation, price to keep pushing upward, and that was the reason why I got into this trade. I will enter it anytime, any day, anytime, any day. That was our first trade for Monday, and we were able to secure around 50 people on this trade, and you can see it's made around $500 of this first setup. Let's go back to our second trade, which was on Tuesday, and it was also a buy. Like I said, the all the buyers was bullish. We're looking for just buys, buys, buys. For now, until we see something that will tell us otherwise. Now, for on Tuesday, when price was printing out, because I always come online doing pre-London section and London section to look for high volume trades so I can actually execute a lot of high volume setup. That's what I trade. So when I came on the charts to look for, when I was basically online to look for positions, um, price was literally already here printing bullish candle. This was the bullish candle price was printing in this, and I saw a structure here. So this was more like a fake out, like price breaking below and breaking back into the zone. But price has also created a level of resistance here. This was the level of resistance price has created. So I'm looking for a small bullish close above this level. I wanted price to just give me a small bullish close like this. Let me show you guys what I'm looking for. I wanted price to give me a small bullish close, closing above this level like this, like this. Then I look for my buys. Yeah, this was what I'm looking for me to go long on this trade. But price decided to move around, push and move around 40 people from this candle. And I was like, okay, let's see how the candle ends. And it closed around this level. Now, normally, I usually place buy stop above this zone for a more larger and a more better confirmation and win rates. But the candle highs had already taken about 26 pips, so I couldn't put my buy stop above this candle high. So instead I really have a price to print down, give me a level of where I can put my stop loss from. Let me go. Let's get down to the 15 minutes. Let me show you guys what I'm talking about on the 15 minutes time frame. Now, if I go to my 15 minutes and zoom in to get, please you guys just pay attention to all my entries so you guys can implement. I'm not a financial. I don't give any financial advice. So just this is what I've tried personally and it works for me. So you can go and try it, and if it works for you, fine. But this is what I do. So I just simply waited for price to come down and give me a level of where I can put my stop loss so I can buy it. So price came down a bit. I put my stop loss below the previous 15 and activated me, but came down back and hit me out on SL. You can see we actually took an SL on this trade. You can see it I actually posted it. This was the SL we put on the VIP. But we had a second attempt on the 30 minutes time frame where price was it 30 minutes? Yeah, it was in 15 minutes. Now let me break down the actual trade on the 15 minutes so you guys can probably see the same setup and how perfectly it was well executed. Now I wasn't in a hurry to get back into any trade. I was waiting patiently because the same thing price, the price has broken above the structures. Like I said, the fake out was to consume. You can see this is a fake out. This is a fake out candle, probably taking out all the buyers, people that entered buy, probably those people that entered buy from here. So price consume pushing that up. It's just one was like probably this is where they put their stop loss below the structure. So price just came to take all of them out, then came back to close below the structure. Now initially I was looking to get into the market on the 15 minutes from here because this is exactly what I'm looking for. Yes, if I can remember, to close below here, getting my buys. This would have been my buys, and I've been done for the section. I've just cashed around 40 people and be done. Put my support around this level or 20 people like this. This would have been my trade, but I didn't get the big rejection I'm looking for, and price just moved instantly. So I'm looking for the next setup. Probably that's why I just was eager to enter the trade, and I just jumped right in and I took an L. Next time I try to be more. I'll try to be more patient, so I won't just get slapped like that. We learn every day. We keep learning every day, no matter how good you think you are on the market. we learn every day. There's always something in the market we teach us. Do you get me? So this was the next setup. This was the next trade. It was literally around 30 minutes after getting an SL. So this candle printed down, came down, closed bearish below. Now, for some traders, you start looking for sales below the structure, probably thinking that this is like a continuation of a price to come down. But if you look at it on the left hand side, you see that this is where price came down, stopped here previously, and moved up. So that what we're looking at. And also, it's like a fake out for this one as well. This resistance level, a fake out, break back in, close below, close above. So this was where I went in when moment price came down for a retest, and the flip I entered my buy stop, put my stop loss below the structure here around this level, and price just went up. We secured profit. You can see it, but I didn't hold this trade long. I closed it early because I already took an L. I just quickly closed at 10 and around Lona's run, and I end up closing the day in negative $100 if I'm not mistaken. But already up, I was still up, pretty up for the week. So moving forward to our Wednesday trade, I think our Wednesday was a trade on Euro JPP. So this is the first time I'm posting a trade on my channel, trading other pairs aside from gold. Now, yes, I trade other pairs. I actually trade Euro USD, USD JPY, GBP JPY, USD, GBP USD, BTC as well. I trade and US 30. So let's go over to our Euro USD so we can check the trade. So this was the trade I entered on Euro USD, and Euro USD was just it was basically a counter trend. That was what I did. It was a counter trend. And I knew it was a counter trend because the buyers on Euro USD was bearish. Price was obviously coming down. The buyers was bearish, but I needed like a quick move that could a short quick move that could give me money. You can see how the price has been moving. So I know it was bearish. So I needed a quick move that could give me money on it. You can see it that could make money from. It was a scalp. It was a quick scalp. It was a 20 pip scalp. That was it on Euro USD. So this was it. It was more like a double bottom. It was like more like a double bottom kind of setup. You can see this was the structure here. This was a double bottom where price printed and price close basically close above here. This was practically close above this level. And in the 15 minutes, let me go to 15 minutes to show you what the 15 minutes was telling me. Now, the 15 minutes was yes, fake out. Like I said, I'm always missing. Sometimes I always miss the initial move I'm looking for. So I have to wait for another structure to happen before I jump in. Now, if I have seen this on time, this should have been my entry above here. My stop loss would have been around this level, and prices would have targeted this high for like 40 pip. But that was not the case. I saw the trade where it was around here, so it was off the 30 minutes and the 1 hour as well. So this was a trade, 1 hour of the 1 hour. So I'm looking for buys above this level. That was my buys for bullish continuation. So when price broke above the high, I got activated. I can see price moved up before it continues its initial bias. And that was it on Euro JPY. And for our last trade, which is gold, gold was also I think yeah it was a sell on Thursday was my last trade on gold, and it was sell. It was an obvious sell, a very obvious sell on gold. So let me scale down to the 15 minutes. Let me scale down to the 15 minutes and let me show you the sell on gold. First of all, yeah, let me show you the sell on gold. Now, gold has been consolidating after its long bullish move. You can see as it's putting sideways, and I'm looking for opportunity to go short. And price broke below this structure. Now, after every bullish move, don't be in a hurry. After any impulsive move in the market, after any high volume candles, don't be in a hurry to just jump into sell or buy. You have to wait and see what price is telling you. Do I want to continue, or I'm just trying to stop out some people or just do some crazy stuff. So I have to wait after the candle close below the structure. I have to wait. Price printed 1, 2 candle, and I placed a sell stop instantly below the structure. Now the sell stop was if I go to the 1 hour, you see the structure just basically of the 1 hour. So it's like a continuation. You can see it close below the zone, fake, continue down, push about 8 pip, and easily secure. Like I said, just go to my videos, look at my videos. I talk about this kind of candle structure a lot on my videos. Like on the videos I drop about gold, I talk about this candle structure a lot. You can see how it's moved and easily drove over 80 people and we secured some profit. I posted this everywhere. About 90 people in profit. You can see me. With your 0.01, you can easily make like $9 out of this, or your one loss, you can easily make about 900 out of this single move with just $200 worth of risks. So this was it for the day. I didn't trade on Friday because I'm already okay for the profit I made. And that's it. If you like this video, please give us a like and share. And if you have any complaint or anything you want to know about trading and anything that confuses you about this video, just leave a comment. I'll make sure I probably do a video about it. Just keep the comment section engaged. Just keep the comment section engaged so I can interact with you guys. See you guys in the next one. Peace, stay blessed, one love, bye.